Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Band 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. So let's tap on the icon right here to open the app. Then in the app tap on device icon and right here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro on the device page. Now scroll down, find the unpair button, and once you find it, tap on it and then tap on unpair. Now tap on got it. It should redirect you to the settings, but if it doesn't, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see two devices, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro basically. Tap on the info icon next to one, tap on forget this device, then tap on the info icon next to the second one and tap on forget this device. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this smart band from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.